seatbelts, access the overhead lockers, or utilize any one of our lavatories. You'll soon see your flight attendants up and about preparing for the upcoming service. Continue to observe and adhere to the fasten seatbelt sign, which will still be turned on. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is not permitted on this or any Hawaiian Airlines aircraft. For your safety, all of our lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors, which federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying of any installed detector. The same prohibition does include the use of any e-cigarettes or e-cigarette charging devices, all of which are prohibited. A reminder from the TSA to always remain in your ticketed cabin at all times. To often find a required mesh curtain is placed behind the first class cabin for this reason. And once the seatbelt sign is turned off, you can utilize our lavatories. They're all located at all of our door areas. Red, green, and illuminated placards above each of our lavatories will indicate the availability. Of course, if you are standing and moving out the cabin and the seatbelt sign does turn back on, please return to your seats and refasten your seatbelts. We're pleased to offer a variety of services this morning and afternoon. In both our main cabin and first class cabin, as we do so, we'll be working with very heavy carts and very limited maneuverability. We'd like to ask for cooperation that whenever our carts are in the aisles, always keep clear that you are seated. This will help us to expedite our service and allow you ample time of rest and relaxation on the way to the islands. We'll be traveling towards the west, of course, which means the sun will be up the entire time. It's going to provide a more comfortable environment throughout the flight. Feel free to lower the window shades around you. All your in-flight entertainment options will soon be available on your screens for you as well.